Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year! For today's video, I have this green and gold smoky eye using the Sublime palette from Mcgrath, and if you guys like it, then please keep watching. So first I'm gonna go with a black shade and apply it where I want my crease to be. I'm using Morphe E36 pencil brush, which is smaller than the brushes that I usually use for this step because it is a very pigmented black and I don't want to apply too much of it. By the way, I filmed this look for the holidays but never had a chance to do a voiceover, but I hope you guys like it anyway. Using the same brush, I'm going to apply black eyeshadow on my lower lash line as well. Next I'm gonna go with this brown shade and I'm using Morphe E18, which is a small round crease brush, and I'm just applying it over the black eyeshadow. I'm bringing it a little bit higher, but not too high because I want to have some space to blend out the edges later. And next I'm gonna do the exact same thing on my lower lash line. Next, you're gonna see me going back and forth between my lower lash line and the crease to make sure that the colors are connected and nicely blended. Now, using a clean blending brush, I'm going to blend out the edges of the brown shade. You can also go for a neutral shade from a different palette, but this palette only has 2 matte shades and the rest of them are shimmers. That's why I just went for a clean brush. Next, I'm gonna go with this gorgeous green shade and I'm going to apply it all over my lid using a wet synthetic brush. Since we're going for a soft crease, you don't have to be too precise here because we're gonna be blending the edges anyway. Using the same Morphe E18 brush, I'm going to blend it into the brown shade. Next, I'm gonna go with this gold shade and I'm going to apply it to the center of the lid only. Working with shimmers like that, I like to spray my brushes with water. I personally don't recommend setting sprays because they can ruin your eyeshadows in the pan. Once the gold eyeshadow is placed, I'm gently going over the edges with a green shade to make sure it looks nicely blended. To highlight, I'm just gonna use my Becca highlighter because there was no highlighting shade really in this palette. And I'm going to use Maybelline gel liner in the shade Charcoal for my waterline. I'm also gonna apply some of that gel liner underneath my lashes to make sure that my real lashes and falsies look blended together. So here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys liked this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!